Foam cannoning. Turtle wax graphene inflex to the max to the something, I don't know, it's a graphene ceramic spray. We're gonna use it because the decontamination process made the paint look so good. It's so smooth. Oh, I'm very, very happy with how it turned out, but let's protect it because it makes it look real good. Exterior was so sick. I love some of these I love all the transformations, let's face it. I just love detailing. But the inside, we definitely have some things to work on. There's a bunch of dust, there's some dog hair in the back. These mats were definitely thrashed. It's gonna be pretty sick to detail the inside of this. I am so excited. Let's just keep rolling. I chuckled to myself. When I pull the mats out, I try not to spill all of the mat nastiness onto the carpet because that's just extra work for me. But with the driver's mat specifically, when I pulled it out, it just left this trail of super thick dust all the way along the ground. It kind of made me laugh. Now, all detailing is sick, but sometimes I get doubly excited when it's dirty. It makes the detailing funner. It really does. Two things really quick. I love the Tornador for that reason right there. The spot we were just working on, obviously the vacuum wasn't enough. My vacuum, that DeWalt, is an awesome vacuum, but it wasn't enough. I had to hit that spot with the vacuum, Tornador, vacuum, Tornador, vacuum, Tornador many, many times, and now it's finally clean, but it did take some time. The second thing, now I can't remember. If I remember, I'll let you know. I remember the second thing. The second thing was my beautiful wife is actually quite creative and she does some pretty incredible things overall. She was decorating Spartacus's teacher's door for kind of an end of school celebration, end of school year celebration. And she asked me to do some simple edits on the old Photoshop, which I'm not skilled, but I did it. And she printed off this really tall picture that she was prepping to fix to another piece of paper and then put it on the door. I was putting away the dishes last night and a thing of water was still in one of the cups. When I went to put it into the cupboard, it dripped on her picture that she had rolled up and totally ruined it. And so she had to get a new one. So that was a lame second thing that I didn't get to say, or I forgot to say earlier. So super lame. She printed a new one. Life is good. Let's carpet clean. Oh yes, my dear friends, even if I'm able to get through today and tomorrow's detailing, there may be a small break in the content because I don't want to admit it, but it hurts real bad. Who's that? I would, of course, like to take some time to thank the customer. Thank you, epic customer. Really pumped you brought this truck back. This was a ton of fun to detail. Hope you love the results of the detail. And of course, I hope you like this video. This was another sick one. I definitely need to get my arm checked out, and I got another sick detail that I get to do tomorrow. It's gonna be tons of fun. I am so pumped you hung out. See you on the next one. Bye.